we both know I didn't exactly make it easy to get here. I called you my friend, man, and convinced myself I needed to keep you at arm's length, all because I was terrified. Terrified of someone who saw straight through every wall I put up. I realized I was falling in love with someone who believed in me, even during the moments when I didn't believe in myself, and that scared me. But through it all, you stayed. You showed up, patient and constant, offering me more love and understanding than I ever thought possible. Somehow, you always knew we'd end up here one day, even when I wasn't sure myself. And today, I'm so grateful and so incredibly lucky that you never gave up on me or us.
Dana, I'm here before you, our families, friends, and all other loved ones. On the most important day of our lives. Hundreds of times in my head, I pictured how beautiful you look and you dress. And I'm still in awe. I feel like the luckiest person in the world today. I get my best friend, confidant, dancing partner, travel companion, and love of my life for the remainder of my time on this earth. All of this became possible because of one swipe in the right direction on a dating app.
And now, as I stand here, I never imagined the day would come when I'd be marrying my best friend, my soulmate, and the love of my life. Zack, oh God, I can't see. You are the only person who has ever truly loved me for exactly who I am. Somehow, all my chaos, quirks, and flaws that have never been too much for you. You let me fully be myself, without judgment or criticism, never trying to mold or change me into something else. Instead, you've helped me grow into the best version of myself, supporting and loving me every step of the way. I may not be perfect, but you make me feel that way every day. You okay?
Yeah. It's amazing.
You're shaking.
Sometimes when angels ain't
I am Ashley, Dana's childhood best friend. And it's such an honor to stand here today and celebrate the love between these two incredible people. Dana's very proud, slightly older sister, fun-loving, carefree. Had the ability to find joy in everything, and most importantly, your ability to laugh at yourself when things don't pan out as perfectly as you planned. And we know I don't do that.
Whether it was luck, fate, destiny, or Amu who guided you to me, I'm so grateful that our paths crossed at exactly the right moment. I wasn't ready for you before, but I am now. And I can't wait to spend forever with you. And today, I promise to love you not just for who you are now, but for who you will grow to be tomorrow and every day after that.
It was such a comfortable and warm feeling that I will never forget. It was so simple, yet so memorable. It wasn't a big grand gesture. It's the little moments that often make the biggest impacts. I believe love is the highest form of friendship. It lessens your sorrows and it doubles your pleasures.
I vow to stand by your side through the good days and the tough ones, supporting your dreams and goals as if they were my own. I promise to compromise, to listen or at least try, and every once in a while to let you win. As I think about building our life together and one day a family, I find strength and comfort in our love, knowing that together we are stronger than anything life can bring. So Zack, here and now, I give you my heart, my forever, and every part of who I am. Because with you, I found my soulmate, my other half, and a love that completes me. I love you.
I promise to always take care of you, protect you, listen to you, cry with you, laugh with you, and most of all, love you. I promise to always be a team and have your back. I promise to wake up each and every day loving you the same way I do in this moment and the first time I said I love you. I'm beyond excited to start our life together. I know our story will be filled with so many momentous times and a lot of firsts. I can't wait to start those lifetime memories together, and today is just the beginning. Dana, I can't wait to call you my wife and grow old together. Baby, I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life.
Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna know is how to hold on to it every moment. Dive into it like my love is an ocean. It's overflowing. I swear it's golden. So good that I'm rolling. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. You wanna do is move with me. I'm seeing blue, yeah. In a disco-colored room, hearts are blooming. It's so consuming. Love what you're doing, so good that I'm doomed, yeah. Baby, you make me crazy. I'm seeing roses. Baby, just maybe you save me. Oh, take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up your eyes. Take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. Na 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 na. I got a good feeling. Na 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 na.